Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be doing this haircut. It is an kind of like an A-line bob, but we shave the back of it. See that? So that way the hair just stacks underneath. Okay. This is what we're going to do. It looks really cute behind the ear too. But the main thing is having this short underneath. Okay. So this is our mannequin. She's got a lot of hair. It's perfect. So to do this technique, we're going to first shave the back of the head. Okay. So to do that, you want to don't go further too high. You probably want to go just around this here. So you're just going to start from probably about there and all the way to the other side. Okay. Let's shave about that much off. So let me clip this away so you can see. Got a lot of hair, so I think I'm just gonna twist it up here. Okay, there you go. Okay, let me show them. It's about 2 inches, so you don't want to go higher than the ear. Okay, so more about halfway there from your ear. Now, if you have really thick hair, really fine hair, you don't want to go too high up, okay? The more thick you have, you can go further up. But if you have fine hair, maybe just do about that much. See that? Okay? This mannequin has a lot of hair, so I'm going to cut all that off. Okay, once you have your section, you're going to shave all this hair off. And I'm just going to use about number 4 guard for now. And then if you feel like you want to go shorter, then just use a number 2. But always best to cut a little bit and then go back and cut more if you need. Just slowly go up because this hair is very long. It takes a long time. Okay. Okay. So you're just going to shave all this hair underneath here. Okay. And then you're going to let this down. Okay. Then you're going to tilt your head back like you're going to almost put it in a ponytail. Comb all the hair. Using the blue CreaClip, you're going to clip it on this way, vertically. Okay, and combing it. Okay, because we're going to do a layered bob, A-line bob. Make sure you get all this hair, if there's any behind your ear. So if you're doing this, you're going to clip it in like this and you're going to pull it straight out, okay? Straight out like this. Go on this side to show you, okay? Okay, straight out, just like that. And we're going to pull it further out, because this is going to fall right there. Okay? All right, let's cut this off. That's a lot of hair. Okay, and before you let go, I'm going to texturize it. Using the thinning shears, you're going to just texturize the ends. And at this point, you could still clip the hair further up so you can texturize more of it. See? About 4 inches, so you can texturize all this hair. Put the mannequin up. So her hair is pretty thick, so we're texturizing it, but just make sure that this mannequin is up and you're texturizing all this hair. Okay, and you can pull it all the way to the very last 2 inches, okay, and texturize the ends. The thicker the hair, the more texturizing you'll do. Okay, but I think that's good. Okay, so once I pull this off, you can see how it creates this A-line cut. I think I should have cut it shorter, but that's okay. We can cut it shorter now. But I want to show you what it looks like. Okay, see how it just stacks right there? Okay. See how it goes in an A-line with lots of layers. But actually we want it to be a little bit shorter. Yeah? But it's still cute. See how that, it's like, look at that. It just shapes the head really nice, making it really A-line in the front. But I want to do it a lot shorter. But if you like it this long, it looks really edgy too. Love that. See? Okay, let's take it a little bit shorter. Okay, so to do that, let's get her back into the clip. Let's take it just a bit shorter. So what's great about this is that you can always go back and cut more. Okay, you're gonna put it in your ponytail. Lock it in place. Make sure it's balanced, like right in the middle. Pull it straight out. I'm gonna cut about that much off this time. That way you can really see it fall there. Okay, take about 2 more inches off. Texturize. You're just going to gather hair like this, clip it in, lock it into place, and you're going to texturize. Okay. Pull this hair out. Okay, that's better. Okay. Really that's beautiful. Okay. So we're going to curl it a little bit so you can see how this just goes in get you, see that A-line? Okay, and if you want to cut the front, we can also cut the front. Okay, so this is just giving you an idea what it looks like. See that? So underneath here, we shaved it. So this just stacks really nice underneath. Okay, it looks great. So look at that. So I haven't even styled it, but usually when you curl it, you can have it like stacked like this. Okay, and now it goes in an A-line like this. See that? It looks really nice. Okay, and now I'm going to cut the front. Do the front, you're going to do the exact same thing. Just bend forward, let all the hair fall forward. Gather all this hair like you're going to put it in a ponytail. Clip it in place like we're going to do the layering. Okay, make sure the level's in the middle. You're going to pull it down, and I think I'm going to layer about that much off. Okay, so right now it's touching her chin. I'm going to pull it towards her chin. Okay, and just trim this part right here. This is going to create some face framing layers. Now if you want to keep it A-line, then you'd stop. However, if you want to do a little bit more layering in the front, you can. By doing the same technique but in the front. Face framing layers. Okay, before you take this out, we're gonna texturize it. To do that, you're just gonna clip onto the hair about 4 inches, and then we're going to use the thinning shears and just gonna thin all this hair. That way you get most of the bulk, and then slide it down to the 2 inches, and then you're going to texturize again. That way it's makes it really soft. Okay. Then you can see how you can have framing the face like this. See that? You can curl it. You can curl it under. Also looks cute flipped out too, but that just softens it, gives you a little bit more face framing layers right there, and then you still have this beautiful A-line in the back. Okay. There you go. This is my really extreme A-line haircut. Let me brush it a little bit. Let me put it back on here. I'll brush it. Okay, so the back just falls really nice. See how that goes in? Goes in really nice. So it's right there at the nape, and then it goes down in the A-line because we pulled it back. Yeah, see that? Looks really nice. And I'm gonna curl it so you can see what it looks like curled. And this is the front. And this is the back. And you can texturize it more if you like. And then the front, there you go. That's the A-line bob, where we shave the back part so it stacks up really nice there like that. Okay. It falls really nice, the A-line here, and then to the side, the front, and you can tuck this or curl it underneath, and so you get like a little bit of an A-line bob, but it looks really nice stacked in the back here. this mannequin has a lot of hair, so you can see what it looks like when you have a lot of hair. Yeah, you have less hair and different texture hair. This is what your hair would look like. Okay, again, shaved in the back, and then it just falls down over top, giving you that stacked A-line look. Graduated over here, and then it just has like a little bit of A-line and it curls in. This is somebody with less hair, and this is human hair, so I was able to curl it a little bit. And then we also did some layering in the front, but this one I did a little bit more layering in the front so that she had like more of a side bang there. Okay, this is my A-line bob. Looks nice. Same technique, just different type of hair. And you can always go back and cut more if you want your bangs to be shorter. Just keep taking an inch until you really like it. I always recommend to cut a little bit at a time. You can always go back and cut more. So this is what this hair looks like. You can see the different layers. It stacks in really nice and a little A-line there. And we also shaved it with a number 2 underneath. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And then here's the other mannequin with a lot more hair and different texture of hair. I like how textured it is, actually. I hope you enjoyed this CreaClip haircut. Here's the CreaClip set that you get. It comes in a beautiful case. Has the hair cutting scissors, the thinning shears, comb, the CreaClip small and large. You can also get our latest trimmer.